to do a quick tutorial since I had to be out today to make sure you guys knew what was going on. Your food truck assignment is up in Schoology, so make sure you open it. This is a big assignment with a lot of parts leading to a presentation. So you have to have all these things done, so make sure you read through it. You're going to get a lot of time, but you need to plan that time and get everything done. Part of the presentation is going to be the process you guys went through, what worked, what didn't, and what things you had to change from your original plan. I put some files in for you. The original project was just one sheet here, but I broke it down for you because this allows you to take the pieces, assign them out to 3 different people, and you guys can put it back together. Now, just use the bucket tool to fill in these spots, the tires, the windows. When you take this separately and work on it separately, you need that branding guide so that all of you are working with the same color palette. So when you put it back together, when you put it back together, this is the top, this is the right side. When you put it back together, you're going to print it, you're going to cut it out, tape it together. You want it to match. If you deviate from your branding guide, it might not match. Last thing, right side, you also have to produce a menu. Details are in the thing, small menu. Organize it well, and that will have to fit somewhere on this side. You will also have to make space for a window here because this is where you will open up and serve your customers. So you got to account for all that in your design. Okay, thanks guys.